Guys! I just got into a battle lab, and Wolverine is fighting a gorGer. The Gillo is fighting the gorGer. Yes, if you search Wolverine up, it will come out with Gillo. I searched it earlier. Dun dun dun. Wolverine wins. Cha-ching, now he's coming for me. Okay, guys. Peace.